Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI Nova 12 SE to an Android device. Begin by opening App Gallery on HUAWEI and Play Store on an Android to download the same app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now it's time to set it up. Let's start with HUAWEI. Click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then on an Android, I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by clicking OK. Then tap on your device's screen and select Send at the bottom left corner of HUAWEI and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on HUAWEI, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. Then to connect, you need to hit the Receive button. If you see this kind of pop-up at any point on your HUAWEI, click on one of those options and tap on Close this window. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!